Where do you start when looking for a new roof? Whoa, that's a lot of results. So metal lasts longer, screws can cause issues, exposed fastener? What's that? But wait, have you seen this? StealthBond Metal Roofing Installation using adhesive. Traditionally, a metal roof calls for thousands of fasteners that penetrate your roof. Over time, these screws will back out due to thermal expansion and contraction caused by environmental changes. Eventually, the screws will cause a hole or back out completely, leaving you with ongoing maintenance issues. With the StealthBond system, there are no screw fasteners in your metal roof. The system uses structural adhesive for a clean look that eliminates maintenance-related issues due to screw fastener failure. As the metal expands and contracts, the adhesive remains permanently flexible, moving with metal, unlike a screw. The system is made up of 3 components: the StealthConnector, StealthBond Adhesive, and StealthBond Metal Roofing. The system is designed to withstand hurricane wind speeds in excess of 150 miles per hour and gives you the roof style you want and peace of mind. Lose the screws with StealthBond, a metal roofing installation system using adhesive instead of screw fasteners. Contact your dealer today.